Hi everyone, my name is Professor Allen, and this week I will be guiding you through Lesson 4. And in this week's presentation will be the introduction of mesosystems. Mesosystems focuses on the connection and interaction between an individual's immediate environment, such as family, healthcare providers, school, workplaces, and community organizations. These relationships play a significant role in shaping experiences, behaviors, and outcomes. Before we begin, please take a moment to review the learning objectives listed on the screen. I encourage you to pause the presentation and make note of these objectives as they will serve as a roadmap to this week's learning and focus your attention on the key concepts we will be discussing. Once you have reviewed the objectives, resume the presentation and continue on with this week's content. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to analyze, evaluate, and design. This week's reading examines how interpersonal relationships and indirect environmental influences affect healthcare outcomes. Research by Golden Arp highlights the importance of social ecological approaches and understanding how individuals are influenced by the systems and relationships around them. The next reading, Jones and colleagues explore how large-scale hospitals and healthcare system interventions can impact patient outcomes and quality of care. We will also examine the role of organizational systems in healthcare operation. The work of Winnesley, Burden, and Van Merd demonstrates how hospital organizational structures influence communication and information processing, while Lanador and colleagues discuss how changes in organizational culture can improve patient outcomes through effective leadership and collaboration. Finally, we will explore how healthcare structure systems and departments interact to influence patient care. Chang and Linder systems theoretic approach, along with Williams' best discussion of quality improvement practices, emphasizes the importance of coordination and collaboration across healthcare settings to achieve positive patient outcomes. As you review this week's material, consider how the interactions between individuals, organizations, and healthcare systems contribute to the quality and effectiveness of care. Again, thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask during our discussion session. At this time, please move into your assigned breakout rooms to further discuss this week's concepts, share insight from the readings, and collaborate with your peers.